Here is day 2 of my trip with Virgin Voyages. So I started the morning at the galley, got some breakfast, and then spent my day here at Richard's Rooftop because this pool is small and it gets crowded, y'all. Went back to the galley so I can try out the salad bar, which was really good. Got some treats and also went back to Richard's Rooftop so I can enjoy more champagne and soak up the sun. Look at this view, y'all. I got a tour of the thermal room, which I did use, which I'll share later on. And for dinner, we went to Razzle Dazzle. Razzle Dazzle was really good, actually. They had some really unique drinks. The food, the salmon, the chicken, everything was pretty good. And the desserts were probably the best that I had on this boat. And because the next day was a port day, we just hung out, went to the casino, your girl won money, went and explored the boat a little bit more, found this really cute champagne bar, and called it a night. Stay tuned for day 3 in the Dominican Republic.